Best businesses to make money with AI. In today's digital age, businesses that harness the transformative potential of artificial intelligence, AI, are poised for unparalleled growth and profitability. The integration of AI technologies into various industries has unlocked a wealth of opportunities, revolutionizing the way companies operate, make decisions, and serve their customers. E-commerce and personalized shopping. E-commerce has undergone a profound transformation thanks to AI, particularly in the realm of personalized shopping experiences. AI algorithms meticulously analyze vast datasets encompassing customer behaviors, purchase histories, and product interactions. Through these insights, businesses can tailor their offerings to match individual preferences, ultimately driving sales and customer satisfaction. Implementing recommendation engines, improving search functionality, employing chatbots, and potentially monetizing customer data are key strategies to extract revenue from the AI-powered e-commerce ecosystem. As businesses continue to explore the possibilities AI offers, the potential for growth and profitability in this sector remains immense. Healthcare and medical diagnostics. AI's revolutionary impact on healthcare is undeniable, promising higher diagnostic accuracy, streamlined medical processes, and improved patient outcomes. Entrepreneurs in the healthcare sector can capitalize on AI's potential through various avenues. Diagnostic AI tools capable of scrutinizing medical images to identify anomalies offer tremendous potential to enhance medical diagnosis. Telemedicine platforms that integrate AI-powered virtual health assistants are poised to transform healthcare delivery. Moreover, the wearable health device market continues to expand, providing opportunities for AI-driven health monitoring solutions. Entrepreneurs can generate revenue through subscription models, consultation fees, or partnerships with medical institutions. The healthcare industry's receptivity to AI innovations ensures that businesses operating in this sphere have the potential to make a significant impact and profit while doing so. Financial services and fintech. The financial sector has seen a remarkable transformation with the integration of AI technologies. Fintech startups, in particular, have leveraged AI to enhance customer experiences, mitigate risks, and automate financial processes. One prominent application is AI-powered chatbots that provide real-time customer support and answer financial queries. Additionally, robo-advisors use AI algorithms to manage investment portfolios, making wealth management more accessible and cost-effective. Fraud detection and prevention are also significantly bolstered by AI, reducing financial losses for businesses. By offering AI-driven financial solutions and services, entrepreneurs can carve a niche in the fintech sector, generating revenue through subscription models, transaction fees, or licensing their technology to established financial institutions. Autonomous vehicles and transportation. The development of autonomous vehicles represents a groundbreaking intersection of AI and transportation. Entrepreneurs in this field have the opportunity to shape the future of mobility. Companies working on self-driving cars and drones are at the forefront of this technological revolution. AI algorithms process sensor data to make real-time driving decisions, paving the way for safer and more efficient transportation. Startups can explore avenues such as autonomous delivery services, ride-sharing platforms, and last-mile logistics, all of which have the potential to generate substantial revenue. Moreover, as urban mobility evolves, entrepreneurs can monetize data collected from autonomous vehicles, including traffic patterns and urban planning insights. Content creation and recommendation. The entertainment and media industry has witnessed a paradigm shift in content creation and recommendation thanks to AI. Entrepreneurs can tap into this space by developing AI-driven content generation tools, such as automated article writing, video editing, and music composition software. Additionally, recommendation algorithms powered by AI are reshaping how content is discovered and consumed. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify utilize AI to suggest personalized content to users, enhancing user engagement and retention. Entrepreneurs can create AI-driven platforms for content creators, offering tools and services to optimize content production and distribution. Revenue can be generated through subscription models, licensing content, or advertising partnerships. Cybersecurity and threat detection. In an era of digital dependence, the need for robust cybersecurity solutions has never been greater. AI plays a pivotal role in identifying and mitigating cyber threats. Entrepreneurs can establish cybersecurity firms specializing in AI-driven threat detection, vulnerability assessments, and incident response. These solutions can be marketed to businesses and organizations seeking to safeguard their digital assets. Additionally, AI can enhance identity verification systems, providing secure access to online services. Revenue streams in the cybersecurity sector may include subscription-based services, consulting fees, and licensing advanced threat detection algorithms. Agriculture and precision farming. The agricultural sector is experiencing a technological revolution through AI-driven precision farming. Entrepreneurs can develop AI applications that optimize crop management, monitor soil health, and predict crop yields. Drones equipped with AI-powered cameras can collect data on crop conditions, enabling farmers to make informed decisions about irrigation and pest control. AI can also enhance livestock management through predictive analytics. Revenue can be generated by offering AI-based agricultural solutions to farmers, agri-tech companies, and agricultural cooperatives. Real estate and property management. AI is reshaping the real estate industry by streamlining property management, enhancing customer experiences, and optimizing investment decisions. Entrepreneurs can develop AI-driven platforms that use predictive analytics to identify real estate investment opportunities, taking into account factors like market trends and property conditions. Virtual tour and staging services powered by AI offer immersive property viewing experiences, attracting potential buyers and tenants. Property management companies can benefit from AI-based maintenance and repair scheduling, reducing costs and improving tenant satisfaction. Education and EdTech. The education sector has seen a significant transformation with the integration of AI-driven EdTech solutions. Entrepreneurs can create AI-powered e-learning platforms that offer personalized learning experiences tailored to individual student needs. Intelligent tutoring systems use AI to provide instant feedback and adapt lessons to a student's progress. Language learning apps with speech recognition and natural language processing capabilities offer immersive language learning experiences. Revenue in EdTech can be generated through subscription-based access, licensing educational content, or offering online courses and certifications. Energy and sustainability. AI plays a vital role in optimizing energy consumption and promoting sustainability. Entrepreneurs can develop AI applications for smart energy management, helping businesses and homeowners reduce energy waste and lower costs. AI-powered sensors and analytics can optimize heating, cooling, and lighting systems in buildings. Furthermore, AI can enhance renewable energy production by predicting energy output from solar panels and wind turbines, improving grid stability. Revenue opportunities include providing energy management services, selling energy-efficient hardware, or partnering with utility companies to optimize energy distribution. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.